Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block seller on Facebook Marketplace. So go ahead and open the Facebook app and then tap on the Facebook Marketplace. Once here, you need to go to the seller's profile. You can always access the seller's profile if you've had a conversation with them before from your chats. You can also find the seller's profile on their listing. Tap and open their listing and then scroll down a little. You see seller information. Tap on the seller's name and tap on the three dots beside view profile. Here you will see block. Tap on block, and when you block them, you won't see their listing and you no longer receive messages or call from them. Tap on block and the seller's account will be blocked. Now on PC, tap on Marketplace or check through your previous conversation with them. Open the listing and scroll to the seller's details. Tap on the seller's name and tap on the three dots beside view profile. Tap on block and you'll be able to follow through the same steps. Now if you wish to unblock a seller, you can watch my next video on how to unblock someone on Facebook. So thank you for watching this video on how to block seller on Facebook Marketplace, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.